right, yeah.
See if you want to hit the next.
Okay, because 4 is...
It'll be about 2 minutes, so if
orders, yeah.
you don't have to hit them yet.
Okay, but pretty long fuse, I think.
Woo! Holy cow!
We got all...
Oh my god!
Still got fuse.
You still see it blowing down there.
Oh, either the
Hit the next one. Hit the next one. Oh, maybe not.
That was... Okay, well, we got both at once now.
Oh, this is crazy exciting.
Awesome.
So you hit the next one?
Next one, we'll see what happens. The motors are long fuse. There we go.
There we go.
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is better than the lakes.
Yeah, we got 3 fuses. That was the last.
Oh my god.
That one just got lit. Okay.
So which one's it?
There's a Stone Cold and then a Spider. No. Next one, the one after next is actually.
So once the spider starts, the spider's about 35 seconds.
Okay. Yeah, that was a big one too. I've been trying. It's not going. Very carefully until we paddle up, light the fuse. No, I think we'll. I don't know what.
Is this just your tube fuse? Have you done a tube fuse yet? One of your tube wrap
Yeah, I
ones?
did. We did. Yeah. The second one was in the back.
Well timed. Is this your blue bean?
Okay.
Is this just a motor tube?
5 and 6 aren't go.
on this one. I think this is a pretty long one.
Who shot that out?
Huh?
I think I've been hitting the button. Yeah, that's 6 going off.
That's 6 going off.
Hey, all right.
Yeah, the piston.
No worries about it.
That's huge.
That's it for that one, right?
What's next?
The grand finale's next.
Was that the... I'm ready for it.
There's, how many was that? Was that 6?
That was it.
Alright, well, here we go.
Oh, it lit.
that one
Thank
lit.
God. That was it.
Hey!
Great job, you guys.
We got 10 of 12 fuses lit. Anybody want to go out with a match? We can get the other 2.
This is like the amateur Chinese. Oh God, oh God! Just in time for the action.
Definitely a smoking box in the lake.
Oh yeah, I see it.